Hi, Orange. Today we finished dividing by two-digit divisors. Do you guys know how to divide?
Yes.
Do you guys know what a quotient is?
Yes.
What is it? Ooh, I love this. 3 divided by 6. What number goes inside the box? Listen to my question. Our video just got longer. 3 divided by 6. What number goes inside the box?
3.
The 3. 3 divided by 6, right? What is this number considered?
5.
So that one goes outside the box, yes?
Yes.
What's the first number? What's this number right here? Dividend, because 3 divided by 6, the dividend goes inside the division house, right? Right?
Yes.
Are we up here?
Yeah.
Okay. Whole number. Whole number is a number with no fraction or decimal parts. The whole number must be bigger than what, though?
0.
Can't be a whole number unless it's bigger than 0, right? All right. Does McDonald's serve cheeseburgers rare? Is that stuck in your brain?
Yes.
All right, here we go. 1,533 divided by 21. Which number goes inside the house?
1,533.
And then the 21 is the divisor, right?
Yes.
All right, in this situation, we are allowed to use a calculator, yes?
Yes.
Does 21 go into 1? Does 21 go into 1?
No.
So I put what up here?
0.
Does 21 go into 15?
No.
So I put another 0, right?
Yes.
Now, we pulled out our calculators and we figured out that 21 goes into 153 how many times? 7 times, and 7 times 21, according to our calculator, gave us 147, yes? Yes? What's left over when I subtract? What's left over when I subtract? 6. 6. What's left over when I subtract? 6. Is 6 smaller than 21? So what do I do next? Does 21 go into 63? You guys said 3 times? According to my calculator, what is 3 times 21? Let me check. 3 times 21. Woo, what is it? 63. So I put my 63 here, yes. Subtract, what do I get? Am I done? What do you need to do to all your answers? So all of these problems, two-digit divisor, two-digit divisor, you can use a calculator, true or false?
True.
We good?